motherfucking beat. And we got the big dog Snoop up in this motherfucker.
Let's get it crackin', Back at y'all with the motherfucking gangsta shit.
Just wanna fuck y'all hands up.
Just know when you speak on my motherfucking name,
You gotta say what your motherfucking
check it out, nigga. Now you don't wanna see my shit blow. I'm giving vibe like it's death row. Niggas get dropped, rolled up like an egg roll. Niggas better listen to their moms like you said so. Or be another buster in the world like an asshole.
Jesus, free us.
And if you pull your gun, you better not
Freeze us.
As I'm chasing all this money, bitches chasing all the fame. Y'all twisted in the head, wrong perception on the game. Cause I'm sick made. A lot of niggas really bitch made. Niggas couldn't handle all that pressure, so they switch plays. You couldn't fuck your bitch right. That's why these bitches switch ways. Talking about bros over hoes, nigga, you gay. Who could see the dog? Motherfuckers couldn't see a frog. I love to take a risk. Cause nigga, I got the biggest balls. Break them like a Kit Kat. Niggas better get back. Better hide your bitch before dog. Now say it with your chest, nigga. Y'all better bring all your best. Or get laid out with the rest. Now say it with your chest, nigga. Wipe the prints off your tank and have your bitch clean up the mess. Now say it with your chest, nigga. Y'all better bring all your best. Or get laid out with the rest. Now say it with your chest, nigga. Wipe the prints off your tank and have your bitch clean up the mess. Now say it with your chest, nigga.
Shot him in the head, caught him slipping at a dinner party. Crippin' ain't for everybody, no, nigga. Search team, top to bottom, had a homie trying to find him. Don't trip, already got him. Pumped up, got you slumped over. Why you have to die? Whole family looking for closure. You better stay inside. Aiming for your frame and I never missed. One time looking